Across the vast savannas and woodlands of Africa, a majestic creature roams, its towering presence a symbol of grace and elegance. The giraffe, with its long, slender neck and striking coat patterns, stands as a testament to the beauty and diversity of the animal kingdom. These gentle giants are not just a sight to behold, but are also integral to the health and balance of their environment. The giraffe, the tallest mammal on Earth, captivates our imagination with its unique physique and gentle nature. Standing up to 18 feet tall, these creatures have evolved to reach the highest branches of trees, feeding on leaves that other herbivores cannot access. Their long necks, which can be over 6 feet in length, are supported by a powerful heart that pumps blood all the way to their heads. A marvel of biological engineering, these gentle giants with their long necks and patterned coats play a vital role in their ecosystem, shaping the landscape and influencing the lives of other species. By feeding on the upper foliage of trees, giraffes help to prune the vegetation, promoting new growth and maintaining the health of the savanna. Their presence also benefits other animals, such as smaller herbivores that feed on the lower leaves and predators that rely on the giraffe's keen eyesight to spot danger from afar. From their feeding habits to their social dynamics, giraffes offer a fascinating glimpse into the wonders of the natural world. They live in loose, open herds, often changing group composition, which allows them to adapt to the availability of food and water. Social interactions among giraffes are complex and include behaviors such as necking, where males engage in combat by swinging their necks at each other to establish dominance and win mating rights. Join us as we embark on a journey to discover the remarkable lives of these iconic African animals. We will explore their daily routines, from the first light of dawn when they begin their search for food, to the twilight hours when they rest and socialize. Along the way, we will uncover the challenges they face, from habitat loss to predation, and learn about the conservation efforts aimed at ensuring their survival for generations to come. The story of the giraffe is one of resilience and adaptation, a true testament to the wonders of evolution and the intricate web of life in the African wilderness. For many years, giraffes were considered a single species with several subspecies. These majestic creatures, with their long necks and distinctive patterns, were thought to be variations of a single lineage. Observers would marvel at their towering, putting them together without realizing the subtle differences that lay beneath their spotted coats. However, recent genetic research has revealed a more complex picture, suggesting that there are actually 4 distinct species of giraffe: the northern giraffe, the southern giraffe, the Maasai giraffe, and the reticulated giraffe. This groundbreaking discovery was made possible through advanced DNA analysis, which uncovered significant genetic differences among the giraffes. Each species has its own unique characteristics and adaptations, shaped by the diverse environments they inhabit across the African continent. This discovery has significant implications for conservation efforts, as each species faces unique challenges and requires tailored strategies for protection. Conservationists now have the crucial task of developing specific plans to address the needs of each giraffe species. For instance, the northern giraffe, which is critically endangered, faces severe threats from habitat loss and poaching. On the other hand, the reticulated giraffe, found in the arid regions of Kenya, must contend with the pressures of human encroachment and climate change. Understanding the distinct genetic lineages of these giraffe species is crucial for preserving their diversity and ensuring their long-term survival. By studying their DNA, we can gain insights into the evolutionary history of giraffes, helping to inform conservation strategies. This knowledge allows for more effective breeding programs, habitat management, and efforts to mitigate the impacts of human activities. Ultimately, the goal is to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to grace the African landscapes for generations to come, standing tall as symbols of the continent's rich biodiversity. The northern giraffe, with its 3 distinct subspecies, occupies a vast range across Central and Eastern Africa. From the arid landscapes of Chad to the lush grasslands of Uganda, these adaptable creatures have carved out a niche in a variety of habitats. Their ability to thrive in diverse environments is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. Section 4. Southern giraffe, a tale of two subspecies. The southern giraffe, found in southern Africa, comprises two distinct subspecies, the Angolan giraffe and the South African giraffe. These majestic creatures roam the savannas and woodlands of countries like Namibia, Botswana, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. Their presence enriches these landscapes, adding to the biodiversity and ecological balance of the region. The southern giraffe, with its darker coat and large, irregular spots, is a striking sight against the backdrop of the African bush. Section 5. Maasai giraffe, standing tall in the east. The Maasai giraffe, with its distinctive, jagged, leaf-like spot patterns, stands tall in the savannas and woodlands of East Africa. These unique patterns not only help them blend into their environment, but also serve as a form of identification among the species. Each giraffe's pattern is as unique as a human fingerprint, making them easily recognizable to researchers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. Found primarily in Kenya and Tanzania, this species is a symbol of the region's rich biodiversity. The Maasai giraffe thrives in these areas due to the abundance of acacia trees, which provide their primary source of food. These towering creatures can consume up to 75 pounds of foliage daily, using their long necks and prehensile tongues to reach the highest branches. Its presence adds to the tapestry of life that makes East Africa one of the most remarkable wildlife destinations in the world. The Maasai giraffe shares its habitat with a variety of other iconic African species, including elephants, lions, and zebras. This coexistence creates a dynamic and interdependent ecosystem, where each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. The Maasai giraffe is the largest of all giraffe subspecies, with males reaching heights of up to 19 feet. This incredible height not only allows them to access food sources that other herbivores cannot, but also provides a vantage point to spot potential predators from a distance. Their long legs and necks are evolutionary adaptations that have enabled them to survive and thrive in the diverse landscapes of East Africa. Socially, Maasai giraffes are fascinating creatures. They often form loose herds, which can vary in size and composition. These herds are typically made up of females and their young, while males tend to be more solitary or form bachelor groups. Calves are born after a gestation period of about 15 months and are able to stand and walk within hours of birth, a crucial survival trait in the wild. Observing a Maasai giraffe in its natural habitat is a truly awe-inspiring experience. Whether it's watching them gracefully bend down to drink water, silhouetted against a stunning African sunset, or simply standing tall and majestic, these gentle giants embody the spirit of the East African wilderness. Their continued presence is a testament to the importance of conservation efforts aimed at preserving these magnificent creatures and their habitats for future generations. Section 6. A life among thorns giraffe survival strategies. Life on the African savanna presents numerous challenges for its inhabitants, and giraffes have developed remarkable strategies to survive in this demanding environment. Their towering height, while advantageous for browsing, also makes them vulnerable to predators. Their long legs, while enabling them to cover vast distances, can be awkward in close quarters. Yet, despite these challenges, giraffes have thrived for millennia, demonstrating their resilience and adaptability. Section 7. Uniquely giraffe adaptations beyond compare. Giraffes possess a suite of unique adaptations that set them apart from other mammals. Their iconic long neck, a marvel of evolutionary engineering, is perhaps their most distinctive feature. But beyond their neck, giraffes exhibit a range of other adaptations, from their specialized circulatory system to their unique ossicones that enable them to thrive in their African environment.